What's up, y'all? Let's get into this install. This unit is from ISEE Hair, and they sent over some goodies, y'all. This is an M cap wig. This is my second time trying an M cap wig. The first time, I was amazed, okay? So I'm super excited to try out this one. So you have your wig accessories right here. You get 3 combs and 1 elastic band. So M cap wigs, like if you wear glasses, really great for that because it has a cutout right here at your ear. This is what the M cap looks like. Let me read you all the benefits for the M cap wig. So you have maximum lace size, minimum knots, match ear shape. So it has that cutout like I said, removable combs, mimic forehead contour, and mark of authenticity. Authenticity. Girl, how can I not say that? They put 2 wig caps in here. I don't wear wig caps. It's just too tight on my head. I just cannot get with it. And baby, oh my goodness, they gave me some lashes. Like I'm used to getting lashes with my wigs, but baby, they gave me a variety pack. 6 pairs. Ooh, get into it. Let's get into the wig. So like I said, let me show you what the M cap looks like. Like don't give me no other wig if it ain't an M cap. So basically this is what the lace part looks like. This is the wig, this is the cap without any hair on it. So this is what the cap looks like. So the M cap has the cutout at the ear. It goes around your ear. I don't know if you wear glasses and you ever had an issue with like your glasses fitting with your wig. This will be perfect for you because it has that cutout right here. So when you put your glasses on, you won't have to worry about it bumping with your wig or anything like that. So the lace holes are small. So these combs right here are removable. And how you do it is you just slide it out. You just slide it out. And it has these 2 holes right here. And you can just slide the comb back in. So if you're not a fan of the combs, you can literally slide them out and you don't have to worry about them. I like to have my combs in my wigs just for extra security. And it also comes with a band. Slide the band in and the band is just going to act as extra security. So let's get into the unit. This is a Kinky curly unit, 20 inches in length. Alright, so this is the same cap but with the hair on. As you can see, you have your removable combs. In the inside, you have your band, your adjustable band for your security, and the lace in the front. So it's already pre-bleached. The lace is already pre-cut. Don't have to worry about any of that. It's already pre-plucked. So this wig is definitely beginner friendly. It comes ready to be worn. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. I already have like a braid down. So my hair is gonna be flat, super flat. When I tell y'all, it's so easy, like so easy. Wig wear. Oh my God. Alright y'all, so I did my makeup. You don't have to let your band sit for as long as I did, just because I was doing my makeup. But y'all, 5 minutes and you are good. But I just sprayed some of this lace bond spray. You can wear it 100% glueless. However, I like the extra security. Even though I have the combs, even though I have the band, I just like the way the lace looks when I spray the spray on it. It just like melts into my skin and it just looks so flawless. Like look at the hairline, y'all. It looks so good. You cannot tell me this is like not growing out of my scalp. And I love the M cap just because, like I said, it goes over your ears, but also it gives you like a lot of lace in the front. but you don't have to worry about that ear flap. Like, you know how the full lace frontals be with the whole ear flap? The ear flap irritates me. It irritates me. I'm just going to run my fingers through the hair just to break the curls up a little bit, because they're a little, you know, when you first get the wig out, they're just like stuck together. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. I don't even need to like cut any layers or anything in it. You could put some like some detangling product on it, but I can literally run my fingers through it. And it's just gonna give me more fullness. Like this wig right here, you know what would be so cute? A little clip right here. Girl, where's the clip? Like, you could wear this wig like this, have like a little clip right here. Oh, I love that. The fact that you have the lace all the way to right here, you have that versatility to do different styles. So this is super cute. Super cute. Like, what? And you can actually part it if you know, you want the parts to be defined. You can part it because the lace looks so good. Girl, you can also swoop this to the side, do a little whoop-de-doo. Get into it. Get into it. Like, one of the comments that I get frequently is that I don't know how to get my lace to lay, or I'm not good with installing wigs. But when I tell you, you are either like, I don't know. Maybe you're not getting the ones that's like pre-plucked and the lace is already cut. Because when you get a wig like this, all you do is take it out, spray a little something right here, or you can just do some foam if you want to wear 100% glueless and be on your way. Put your band on and you're ready to go. Y'all, it's so easy. So easy, not exaggerating. I promise you. You're just going to do all the steps that I just did, and it's going to look like this. It's going to be melted. It's going to be looking like your scalp, and that's just what it is. But thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, of course, give me a big old thumbs up. I will have this unit linked down below in the description box, but I'll see you guys later. Bye.